Hey, what up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos. So what you got to do is you got to go to graphics. Might take a second or two to load. Okay guys, now that it's loaded, what you gotta do is you gotta go down until you find the basic title. Just drag it on top. And then click on it. Hit edit. And then let's call it. Go ahead and delete all of it. And call it, say, sub to Eagle. And then highlight all of it. And then you can change the font. Okay guys, after the fonts load in, just pick the font you would like. Not so much that one. There we go, that looks pretty good. You can make it bigger if you need to make it centered. And that is how you do it in Premiere Pro. Let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, now that we're in Sony Vegas, what you can do is you right click, insert video track, go to media generators, go all the way down until you see titles and text. Go to the first one, click the default one. It's going to bring up a menu. Just back out of it for now, then go hover over it. And then click on the media generator tab. And then put whatever you would like. Make it bigger, highlight it, make it bigger, bold it out, change the font, take the bold off, make it a little smaller if you need to. And that is how you do titles and text in Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. Peace out guys.